What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Charge Finance, where we talk about everything finance. Today we're gonna be talking about stocks for beginners. But before we begin, I got some good news. I'm giving away $30 Cash App every week for the next 30 days to one lucky subscriber. You can buy whatever you want with that money. You could buy Bitcoin, you could go buy whatever other cryptocurrency, you could buy something nice for somebody. Whatever you choose to do is yours. But let's get into this video. Okay, today we're talking about stocks for beginners, or anybody who's trying to learn about stocks or to get ahead or passive income, whatever the reason is. Tip one, buy them all. On the serious note, stocks are used as investment vehicles for passive income or a means to make money or to save money. Prices usually range from $1 on up. I've seen a stock like, I believe it was Berkshire Hathaway. His stock was over 100 grand. I think it was like 400 grand. So that's a lot. I won't say, hey, go for that stock, but you know, you can find them on most platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, Fidelity, all starting at $1 to invest. So if you have $1 laying around, sitting in a bank account somewhere, you download that Robinhood app. It's a link in the description. It'll give you a free stock. It'll give me a free stock, and you go on your way. You're starting already. They offer commission-free fractional shares. So if you have that dollar, you can invest that dollar as a, like, you want to buy a fractional share of Tesla or a fractional share of Microsoft or Google or Meta, Facebook. Personally, I choose Robinhood out of all of those platforms just because it's user friendly and it was easy for me to catch on. They also offer fractional shares, and when I first started, I wanted to spread it out a few different ways, so I chose Robinhood as my platform. And I understand a lot of people don't have a lot of money sitting around, and it's always good to start now, so you don't want to start too late. So get Robinhood. It's a link in the description if you want to, so go do that. The stock market is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. That's when pre-market starts. And then they close at 4:30, and then there's the aftermarket. So at pre-market is from 9 o'clock to 9:30. The market opens officially at 9:30, and then there's the aftermarket when it closes at 4:30, and it usually runs until about 6 o'clock in the evening. So the best time to buy a stock is during a dip, and that's one of those days where, remember I said it goes up and down? That's one of those down days. So when the stock market goes down, that's considered a dip. It could be for the day, it could be for the week, the month, it could be down a whole month, but it could bounce back dramatically a whole nother month. So really, it really doesn't matter, because the price, the stock market over the years has proven to be continuously rising. This is, again, an investment vehicle, and you have to treat it as such. This is the most common way to earn passive income. So all you passive incomers out there that's looking for a way to earn passive income, this is the perfect way, and to me, by far the safest way to earn some passive income. Also, all the rich people do it. I would say a lot of the rich people do it, not all of the rich people, but you know, that's how they keep their wealth. That's how they maintain their lifestyles. Gotta get hit. My personal favorite stock, if I would say, would probably be Tesla, because he has the innovation for the future. He actually reminds me of one of those guys in one of those science fiction movies that's like the mad scientist, and they always try to like conquer the world with all their scientific technology. That's what he kind of reminds me of, except the good version. But I am willing to invest my money into the company because it is steadily growing, and I have seen a lot of the projects he's working on, not firsthand, but a lot of projects he is up and coming with. So I got faith. Keep going, Tesla. Tesla to the moon. Thanks again, everybody. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I hope it was informative enough for everybody. Make sure you stay tuned every week for that $30 Cash App. Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for the next video next week, dropping exactly 7 days from now, which I believe that is November the 17th. So stay tuned. Until next time, peace.